Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Lift each wiper arm straight up until it locks at about a 90-degree angle. Before you touch the connector, make sure the ignition is off and the key is removed. This prevents accidental wiper movement. Press the small plastic tab on the wiper connector and slide the blade down to remove it. Remove the driver blade first, typically 26 inches, then the passenger blade, typically 18 inches. Place removed blades on a towel to protect the windshield, while you prepare new blades for installation. Align the new blade hook with the arm and slide until you hear a distinct click. Different adapters are common, so use the supplied adapter if needed. Confirm the blade is labeled 26 inches for driver and 18 inches for passenger if needed, and match the rubber curvature to the windshield. Tug gently on the blade to verify the locking tab engaged. Lower the arm slowly, ensuring the blade seats flat against the windshield edge to avoid a scratch or stress on the glass. Start the engine and cycle the wipers at normal and intermittent speeds to test performance. Watch for streaking, skipping, or unusual noise. If you notice poor contact, lift the arm and inspect for bent frames or debris, then clean the windshield and blade edge with rubbing alcohol for better contact and longer life. Replace blades every 12 months or every 12,000 miles, or sooner if streaking or chattering occurs. Dispose of old blades properly and store spare rubber inserts if you plan future replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.